Continuing on with our walk down Kata Beach, heading from north to south. About 11:30 in the morning. Tourists out here enjoying the water. Beach chairs in the background. These beach chairs will run you about 100 baht a piece. Beauty of the water. Got there on the southern point. As we continue our walk, we're almost at Center Beach. If you look over here, that's where the Club Med is, so we've actually passed it, about center area. And we're about halfway down the beach, Kata Beach, Phuket. You can see down there on the southern end. The southern end, the major resorts, is the Kata Beach Resort, and you have Mom's Try Boathouse, and there's small little seaside restaurants in the corner. And continuing on with, we'll end it here and start a new one. Kata Beach, Center Beach.